Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are flying from Manila, Philippines to Osaka, Japan, and I'm taking you with us from airport to arrival. If you've ever wondered what the whole travel experience is like, from check-in at NAIA to touchdown in Kansai, stick around. Let's go! We just arrived at NAIA Terminal 3. Our flight today is with Cebu Pacifics, and departure is at 1:25 p.m. Always try to be here 3 hours early for international flights, lines can get long. The check-in process was smooth. Just make sure you filled out your e-travel form, have your passport, visa, and your ticket ready. Immigration cleared. Don't forget, no filming inside, so I kept it low-key. Now we're heading to the gate. Japan, here we come. So we are on board now. This flight is about 4 hours, and they're serving meals midway. Here's a quick seat tour, pretty comfy for a short-haul international. Touchdown in Japan. Welcome to Kansai International Airport. It's clean, efficient, and everything is well marked in English and Japanese. If it's your first time, you'll go through immigration, then customs. You'll need your Visit Japan web QR code ready. Super fast and all digital. After arriving, the first stop is immigration. It's pretty straightforward, just follow the signs. Make sure you have your passport ready and that you've completed the Visit Japan web process beforehand. There might be a bit of a queue, but the process is smooth and efficient. No filming allowed here, so I'll catch up with you guys after we clear immigration. And just like that, we're officially in Japan. Welcome to Osaka. Before we head to the train station, we're picking up our pocket Wi-Fi, which we booked online. If you didn't pre-book, no worries, there are vending machines and counters here where you can get one on the spot. You can also exchange currency here, but the rates are usually better in the city or if you exchange in Manila. We exchanged a small amount just for transport and food. Now we're heading to Kansai Airport Station to catch a train to our hotel. The station is connected to the terminal, just follow the signs. You have a few options here. You can buy a regular train ticket, get an ICOCA card, which is a reloadable transport card, or if you plan to travel more around Kansai, there are JR West or Nankai passes. We chose the HARUKA Limited Express ticket since we have the Have Fun with Kansai Pass. If you have this pass too, make sure to check out my video on how to claim the HARUKA Limited Express ticket at Kansai Airport using the pass. I've linked it in the description below. We've got our ticket, and now we're heading to the platform. The trains are super punctual. You'll also find signs in English everywhere, so it's foreigner friendly. Here comes our train. We're taking the HARUKA Limited Express, which will take us straight to Namba Station, Tennoji, or Kyoto. The train is so clean and quiet. There's even space for luggage. We'll just sit back and enjoy the ride to our hotel. And that's it for our Kansai Airport arrival guide. From immigration to hopping on the train, everything was smooth and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Sayonara for now.